Alright, you ready to do this, outrage? Alright, let's roll in. We got E100s, we got tier 10s, I got my buddy Outrage. Your tank is really good, I'm not lying. Alright, I'm gonna let the E100 get in front of me first. No, I'm not taking that risk. Well, I got somebody's tracks. I say E100. There's a waffle trigger, OE3. Ah, dang. I wanted to play the hero, but I don't think I can. It's all about strategy. I hope the A100 can survive. I just miss. How was I missing my shots? Ammo rack! Wait! No, he ammo wrecked me! No, no, no! I didn't bring my repair kit. What? I didn't have enough money to bring a repair kit. Ah, crap. I just got ammo rack. Damn. One of my mans died, and I can't bring back to life. I didn't know I didn't have a repair kit. Why do I keep backing up? I gotta wait 30 seconds because I just got ammo right. That sucks. I hate that dude. I don't want that artillery to hit me. That's from ammo rack me, you faggot. Gotta wait 30 seconds. You gotta be kidding me. Waffle trigger. You could get this dude. Well, I'm gonna try to ram him. No. I'm ammo rack. Dude, this is a freaking close battle. Alright, let's get out of this position. Alright, it's just me and you, dude. And the artillery. I'm ammo rack. That sucks. We got an IS-8. Dude, we already lost. I don't even know if we could clutch this. We got IS-8. I don't even know where should we go. We have another waffle trigger. The artillery is going to hit me.
Target acquired. Target unlocked.
I couldn't take him down. We both died outraged. Painful.